Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm about to show you an amazing recipe that has helped me grow out my hair over the years. This recipe will help you grow your hair longer and fuller. If you can just use this recipe every day, your hair will grow long. Without further ado, let me introduce to you our star ingredient for today, which is clove. Alright, clove has been amazing. Clove stimulates blood flow to the scalp and promotes healthy hair growth. Clove reduces dandruff and other scalp issues because of its antifungal properties. Clove strengthens the hair roots and reduces breakage. It reduces the effect of graying. It treats alopecia. Cloves contain vitamin A, C, and K. It also contains iron, potassium, which strengthens the hair and prevents hair fall. At this point, I don't think I need to say anything else about clove because everybody knows about it. If you've been on this natural hair care journey and if you've been a DIY lover, then I'm sure you're quite familiar with clove. Clove is not new in the natural hair community. Our next star ingredient is star anise. This is quite new in the channel. I just found out about these wonderful herbs for hair growth. This will increase the volume of your hair, make your hair thicker and longer. This will also improve your scalp health. This will strengthen your hair and reduce breakage. So if you're looking for something to grow your hair faster, you might want to jump on this one. This one is known for growing hair very fast. Take a good look at this. It looks like a star. I guess that is where it got its name from. Just in case you're going to purchase this in the market, just tell them the seed that looks like a star. They already know what that is. After putting my two ingredients into the jar, as usual, I will infuse this. Then I added hot water. I use hot water because it makes it easier to infuse. I left this over the night. I left it for at least 12 hours to properly infuse into the water. As you can see, the color of the water right now is giving goldish kind of color, but in the morning it is going to be in a darker form. Right now the seeds are floating, but when it is ready, everything is just going to settle down. So you need to look out for that. If you see that it has settled down, know that your recipe is ready to be used. After 12 hours, which is the following morning, this is what our recipe looks like. As you can see, it has changed. The color is a little bit darker than how it was before. You know that your recipe is ready. So now we transfer into our spray bottle to make it easier for us to spray. Though I later changed my mind, because if I sprayed it, I'm not going to finish everything, but I decided to dump it on my hair. When I dump it in my hair, I get more of the water into my scalp. It is more efficient when you just pour everything on your hair instead of spraying it. If I spray it, I'm going to only spray just a little. My hair is quite dry, so I decided to just pour everything on my hair. This is me pouring it on my hair in the sink. This recipe can be used every day for your moisturizing routine, for your after rinse. And do not wash it out. You're not supposed to wash this out. If you wash it out, you're not going to see any benefit. The shelf life for this should be 7 days. After 7 days, discard it and make a new one. After dumping the mixture on my head, I took out my time to give myself a massage. Okay, it is very important that you work the product in. Whenever you use a product, make sure you massage it. Okay, let me say this: you can use the star anise alone without clove. I just decided to add it, but you can use it alone. It is also sold everywhere. Okay, it is quite popular. It's sold everywhere. To round up this process, I'm going to be sectioning my hair into 4 workable parts to make it easier for me to apply my conditioner and then seal it in. If I just go in with my conditioner without sectioning it, some of the parts of my hair will not get the conditioner. So I would like to section it into 4 parts. Ask me, like, I don't even know. I don't even understand myself sometimes. I didn't use a mirror to section this thing, and I didn't even know that I was doing nonsense until I actually started editing this video. I found out that my path looked like it was done by a chicken. But you guys to bear with me. After all, I didn't tell anybody I was a professional. I believe everyone out there know the reason why we are adding conditioner and butter to our hair is to seal it in after we have applied the hydration, which is the star anise and the clove water we just dumped on my hair. Then I am going in with a leave-in conditioner and a butter in order to trap it in, because I'm not going to do all that work and get nothing out of it. I have to trap everything in, so this thing will work for me. Because if you don't trap it in, being that it is Harmattan period, everything you just worked for is going to be in vain. So you better trap it in using a butter or an oil, so everything will stay in your hair and work wonders for you. Believe me, if you continue doing this thing, if you continue doing all this DIY you watch on my channel, your hair is going to grow. And do you know why I mostly use water on my hair? Like, I prefer using spray, I prefer using herbal waters on my hair to oil, is because water actually penetrates to the scalp more than oil. I prefer using water because it penetrates more than oil. Permit me to say this: if you've been watching my video and you haven't started implementing things that you watch, you haven't started doing all the DIYs that I do in my channel, sis, why are you wasting time? Why are you just wasting your data for nothing? Why can't you just implement this thing and grow out your hair? Having said that, thank you for watching to this point. We have finally come to the end of this video. I hope you learned one or two. See you in my next video. Bye.